just walking, heading back over. One of the biggest quarantine cruises I've seen in a long time here. All our buddies from Surf City Classics are here. Roll call. What's up, guys? John, Paul, what's up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Hey, what's going on? Got hacked?
Hey!
Look at this, man. That's all sick. The row up here, man. It's just crazy how many cars are here. I'm stuck way out here. I was afraid to back up into somebody. 5.3 LS GA 69. Ooh, nice Falcon 63. Falcon Galaxy 63. There we go. Take a look at Chanel here, old number 5. Looking good.
Yeah.
You get the Frankenstein right next to it.
It's got a 383 stroker blueprint engines.
73 dots and 620 bullet side. It's a tow behind. If you know what it's got in it, I'm here with my buddy Tommy. It's got a small black Chevy in it. Aluminum radiator. This thing has been through the shit. It's got the trailer mirrors on it. I mean, it's been working. I think it's a long bed too. Dash is nicely cracked. Interior's wrecked. But it's got a fuel cell and it is a short bed. But yeah, this is the truck I had in high school. Oh, it's tubbed out too. Ah, it's tubbed. No way. Not exactly a tub job I would do, but it is tubbed. Got some really nice rusted moons on here. This is a survivor truck here, baby. This is a tow behind in a motorhome. Still got the original steering wheel, all the original dash with the wood grain. I had that disco metal turn on mine. But yep, 620 Datsun in the house, rare as it gets. Randy Gonzalez in the house. What's up, brother? There we go. Oh, that's a nice house of colors, looking purple. Very sweet. Nice Elko. Oh yeah. 60 Catalina. Yeah, old school one, baby. Doesn't like it's not like a V8 love. That's already okay. Oh, nice. Can't keep up with this guy.
What's up, Al?
Thanks for everything you do, brother. We love you, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Nothing better than a good rollout here. We always love to follow it in. That Chevy Love is just sick. Takes me back. Yeah, buddy. Let's catch rollout. Patrick's getting them staged up.